In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Amazon Fire TV remote to your TV when only the power button is working. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Just first things first, what you're going to want to do is make sure your remote has fresh, fully charged batteries. Now try spam pressing the home button a few times. Sometimes the remote just needs to reconnect and this can fix it instantly. If that doesn't work though, press and hold down the home button for about 15 seconds to force pairing mode. If it still isn't working, we're going to reset the remote. So go ahead and press and hold down these three buttons at the exact same time: the menu button, the back button, and left on the D-pad, and hold them down for about 15 seconds. This is going to perform a full remote reset. You may see the LED light blink up at the very top. Don't worry, that's normal. If not, don't worry, that's normal as well. If your remote still won't connect though, just unplug the Fire TV from power for about 60 seconds and then plug it back in and try again, and then press and hold down on the home button for about 15 seconds or repeat using the menu, back, and left buttons as well. After trying all these steps, your Fire TV remote should reconnect and start working normally again. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.